Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The car will build a new bridge today. We should remove the remains of the old bridge. Now the crane will break the support beams. Oh, be careful, police car. Again. Wow! We did it! The blocks of the old bridge fell. The bulldozer will remove all unnecessary pieces from the construction site. Well done! Here comes the truck and the crane. The crane lifts the support beam from the truck body and places it. And now for the road. The bridge is almost ready on the other side. Only one span is missing. The helicopter will bring it. Let's go! Great! The bridge is ready! The boom gate? For what? Thank you, helper cars! Let's see what happens at the bridge. Oh, the channel under the bridge is filled with water. Boats will travel here. The gate opens. The first cars are on the bridge. A boat is coming. That's interesting. It's time to open the bridge. The gate's poles are lowered. The bridge is opening. You can go, boat. Now the milk truck will go. What will the cars build next time?
Helper cars.